Imagine the crackling campfire and the great outdoors. Now add some culinary adventure to your camping experience with these 10 unusual meal ideas that will surprise your taste buds. First up, swap out traditional burgers for portobello mushroom steaks. Marinate them in balsamic and garlic for a savory twist. Next, consider foil-packed Thai curry. Mix coconut milk, curry paste, and your choice of protein, then seal it in foil and let the campfire do the rest. For breakfast, ditch the oatmeal for a sweet potato and apple hash. Cube your ingredients, add cinnamon, and cook in a cast-iron skillet for a sweet and savory start to your day. Moving on, try campfire paella with a mix of seafood, chorizo, and saffron rice. It's a one-pan wonder that brings Spanish flair to your site. For a lighter option, assemble a quinoa salad with dried fruits, nuts, and a lemon vinaigrette. It's refreshing and easy to pack. And for a snack, create a trail mix with a twist, incorporating wasabi peas and chocolate-covered espresso beans for an energizing kick. As the stars come out, prepare a dessert of grilled peaches with honey and cinnamon. The natural sugars caramelize beautifully over the open flame. For a hearty dinner, stuff bell peppers with quinoa, black beans and cheese, then wrap them in foil to grill. And don't forget about a campfire charcuterie board featuring smoked meats, artisan cheeses, and pickled vegetables for an upscale picnic under the pines. Finally, for a fusion twist, make taco stuffed avocados. Halve an avocado, remove the pit, and fill with taco-seasoned ground meat. Top with cheese and warm it by the fire for a creamy and satisfying dish. These 10 unusual camping meal ideas are sure to elevate your outdoor dining experience. They're not only delicious, but also a fun way to bring creativity to your campfire cooking. So, next time you're under the stars, remember, the wilderness is your kitchen.